Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by combining essential prerequisites with immediate action. Learn Python fundamentals fast, then apply them in tiny projects. This builds muscle memory. Once done, add focused math, linear algebra and probability for models, not theory rabbit holes. Make sure to set up a reproducible environment, Jupyter, Conda, VS Code, Git, and create a single project repo you can iterate on. This prevents tool friction and keeps you shipping results while you learn the concepts that matter. Now continue the process by executing concrete projects end to end. You pick 3 focused projects and rotate: cleaning and ETL, visual storytelling, then a predictive model. As you build, learn pandas for manipulation and scikit-learn for baseline models. Once comfortable, explore TensorFlow or PyTorch for advanced tasks. Make sure to implement proper model validation, cross-validation and relevant metrics, and automate pipelines. This middle stretch is about turning theory into repeatable workflows that demonstrate impact and teach you trade-offs. Finish by delivering and iterating on a real artifact that proves your skills. You deploy a model or interactive demo so others can evaluate your work. Once deployed, collect feedback and retrain or refine features. Make sure to document decisions, reproducibility steps, and performance baselines. If things go wrong, here is a key troubleshooting tip. Check for data drift, label errors, and overfitting first. Add unit tests and monitoring to detect issues early and keep your pipeline healthy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.